My name is Dan Kuchera. This is Science in the Park. The intent of the Science in the Park activity is to make it possible for students to not just enjoy rides, but to get data off of them, and then match that data up with the experiences that they have. There are a whole host of different things. The intent of the activity was to have a tech/college fair/science fair. So some of the activities are science-based, like fire and ice. Some of the activities are hands-on lab experiences, like the gravity well one that we're doing. They're building kites, and then they're learning how kites fly, and then associating them with airplanes. So it's a whole host of different things. And then the colleges are out here to help out in terms of, if you want to come to this college, we have the National Guard here as well, and they'll be happy to take people with them. And so, yeah, it's supposed to be a good time for all.